All right, scholars. So now I'm going to show you how to partition a circle. So first we're going to read over the thinking steps from yesterday because like I told you yesterday, we can use these same thinking steps to partition any shape. So the first step is to draw your shape. The second step, partition the shape into equal parts. Step 3, shade in each part with one of your crayons. Step 4, write the fraction for each color or each part in your shape. I'm going to give you like 30 seconds to read those steps over by yourself and then we will continue on. All right, so let's keep going. So yesterday we looked at a real world example of a flag from Africa. That flag was the flag of Chad, which is a country in Africa. So today we're going to look at some more real world examples. Now we are partitioning a circle. And there is one thing in the real world that I can think about that is in the shape of a circle. It's really delicious, has lots of cheese on it, probably some sauce, any toppings you want. Did you guess what we're partitioning today? You guessed it, pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? I love pizza. So I want to welcome you to Miss Knight's Pizza Parlor, where every slice is equal. Remember, in a fraction, every part has to be equal. So, at my pizza parlor today, a customer came in and we're going to read their problem and try to help them find a solution. So, the problem says a customer ordered a pizza and wants to have it cut into two equal slices. How should Miss Knight cut the pizza? So, I have already prepared this delicious pizza, but now it's time to put slices. So let's see, I'm going to get out my pencil here. And you can, of course, practice partitioning a circle with me on your paper at home. And first thing I'm going to do is, they just need two equal slices or two, what's that word for two equal parts? I hope you said halves. They just need two halves on this pizza here. So I'm just gonna, uh-oh, let's delete that. I'm just going to draw a line vertically from this part of the pizza down to here. Now, check out my work, scholars. If you brought this pizza home and you had to share it with your little brother, would you be happy with the slice that you will get and the slice that your little brother will get? I know I wouldn't be happy. The little brother slice is much, much bigger than the slice that I'm going to get. So I don't think that's the right place to partition this circle. So I'll delete that and we're going to try again. Hmm, are you getting any ideas of where I should partition this circle? Let's see, I'm going to try right here. Uh-oh, not that squiggle line. I would like to at least make it a straight line. And we'll go here. Now this has to be right. I know this is right. I moved the line. It's not where it was. I sliced it in a different place. So now I have two equal slices, right? Oh, Miss Knight's being silly. No, again, I would be so upset if I had this little bitty piece and my brother had this huge piece. All right, so let's get it together. I am going to partition this pizza so that both people that eat a slice of this pizza will be satisfied because they will have the same amount. So here's my trusty pencil again. And I'm going to go to the middle of the circle here and draw a vertical line down to the other side or the other end of the pizza. Now, check it out. Have I partitioned this pizza into two equal slices? Yeah, I would be okay with this slice, would you? I hope you say yeah, because these two slices are definitely equal. Now take about 15 seconds to go ahead and draw that on your paper at home. All right. Now, what would we call this slice of the pizza? What fraction of the pizza is this slice? Well, let's think about it. This is just one slice of the pizza, but the whole pizza has how many slices? Two. So if I just have one slice out of the two slices, then I have 1/2. If I eat this section of the pizza or the customer eats this section of the pizza, they are eating 1/2. If their brother eats this section of the pizza, then they are also eating 1/2. All right, now let's see if we can partition this pizza any other way and still get 2/2. So I'm going to delete my current line. And I hope that while I'm deleting this, you are thinking of another way to partition this pizza so that we have two equal halves. Let's see, I'm going to get my pen back out. Now I remember to go vertically, I started in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and go on this side over here, and I'm going to start in the middle. And I will draw a line clear across to the other side of the pizza. And now check it out. Did I partition the pizza into two equal slices? Yeah, it's still two equal slices. I think the customer would be happy to share this slice with their brother. So we just practiced two different ways to partition a circle. When this video is over, I want you to go ahead and practice that on your own and then go on down to the practice problems. See you a little bit later.